Our lakes are under threat from invasive species ready to hitch a ride and spread rapidly as we move across the area. So how can you help us to stop the spread this summer? Follow these 3 simple steps before you get in the water and after you get out. Check your board and equipment all over for any plant material that you might have picked up in the water. The main areas you want to focus in are any bungees on the front, your strapping in the middle, especially where your foot is attached, and on your paddle, all sections of it on here, and your fins on the rear of the board. Also check your buoyancy aids if you've had a swim, and your shoes when you've been walking in the water. So once you've cleaned your board, leave it to dry, ideally for up to 2 weeks, but as long as you can. That'll stop any invasive that's living in those damp areas being able to sprout out when it comes out into the sun again.